It was an awesome movie. Gotta see it. Hey, hey, I've got to go. Yeah, I've got to do a math cast. All right, talk to you soon. Bye. Hello, champ students, Algebra 1B, first math cast. Welcome to it. Chapter 7, 7.1, 7.2. It's all about graphing. And if you follow this math cast, if you follow the steps, your homework assignments will be perfect, and you'll pass all your quizzes and tests, and you'll do famously. So follow the yellow brick Mathcast road, and see you on the other end. Bye. We're now graphing, and we're on page 304 of your textbook. You need to be able to draw a y-axis and an x-axis and label it. The x-axis is the horizontal, and the y-axis is the vertical line. They're each marked according to the following pattern. Positive is to the right, negative is to the left. Up is positive, and down is negative. So your numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, positive, go on the right-hand side. This quadrant is positive, positive. This quadrant over here, negative, 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 positive. And down here is negative, negative. And then over here, quadrant 4 is positive and then negative. We're going to go over that in a minute. Direction is very important in graphing. Which direction do you go? Well, it's given to you by the pluses and minuses in the coordinate system. Everything in quadrant 1 over here is a plus and a plus. It's a plus and a plus point. So you move over to the right on the x-axis, and then you move up. It's plus and plus. And you end up somewhere on the first quadrant. Then you always start at 0, 0. You start here, and you go negative, let's say negative 3, and then up. You're going to end up in a quadrant 2, negative plus quadrant. Negative and then plus. When we go negative and negative, we're going to end up in quadrant 3. You start at 0, 0. You go negative and left, and then down negative. You'll end up somewhere in here. Similarly, in the fourth quadrant, right over here, you're going to end up with, when you start at 0, you're going to go positive, then negative. You're going to end up somewhere in here. We're going to do some examples right now that are going to give you the idea, so stay tuned.
2, 5.
Yeah, 2, 5.
So x is first, so you go over to the 2, and then positive, you go up to 5.
Good.
And then you plot it.
That's right. You plot the point with the coordinates 2, 5, and then you put 2, 5.
Yeah.
That's right. Good job, Dina. 2, 5 is a point with the coordinates 2, 5. Listen to that. Get the lingo right. It's a point with the coordinates 2, 5. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 5, and it tells you exactly where that point is. Like a target, it's right there in the positive, positive quadrant 1 area on this side of your chart. Okay? Go ahead, Dina, do the next one. It's number 5.
Number 5 is 3, negative 2. So you go over to x and go 1, 2, 3. And then negative 2, you go down 2, which is...
Good job. Notice she's labeled it and she put the point 3, negative 2 in there. Again, it's positive, so you go to the right, and then negative down. Positive is right, negative is left when you're talking on the x-axis. When you're talking about the y-axis, positive is up and negative is down. So here's the point 3, negative 2. This is in quadrant 4 where positive and negative coordinates live. All right, the point 3, negative 2 with coordinates 3, negative 2. Next one, Dina.
The next one is number 7, which is negative 2. Negative 2, negative 4, and negative 2 is, whoops, I did it wrong, but anyway, negative 2 is right here, and then negative 4 is right there.
Okay, label it. Negative 2, negative 4, you're going left. You always move on the x-axis first, always. Always x, then y, all right? So you move over to left 2, and then down 4. Down 4. So you've got negative 2, negative 4, which puts you in the third quadrant, which negative and negatives live in the third quadrant. All points that have negative and negative coordinates live in the third quadrant right here, okay? Keep going, Dina.
Number 9 is 0, 4, and first you start in the X and you don't go anywhere because it's 0. And then you go up 4, so it's right here. 0, 4.
Good job. That was the only question that people had trouble with. 0, 4. That's called a y-intercept. 0. You never break from your pattern. You go X. First of all, X. X, right or left. 0 doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean right or left. It's not positive or negative. So you stay on this point right here at 0. Now it says go up 4. Up is positive, so you go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And guess what? You end up on the y-axis at 0, 4. On the y-axis at 0, 4. Next period we're going to learn, next cast we're going to learn that that's a y-intercept, a very important point. Y-intercept because that's where lines cross the y-axis. Okay? Last one. Keep going, Dina.
Number 17 is -5, 3, and -5 is 1, 2, 3. This way, and then down 3, which is right here. So oh no, this way. Never mind. It's up this way. 3 is up here.
We're not gonna edit that. It's gonna have to be a never mind. Anyway, good job, Dina. -5 means over to the left 5, and then up 3. The coordinate is -5 and 3. The point is this one right here. It's in the second quadrant with coordinates that have negative and then a positive. A negative x value and a positive y value. All right, give yourself a hand. Give her a hand, please. Thank you. Give a bow. Dina, say bye.
Fine, man.
Bye.
Flash camera. Can I flash the camera?
No.
Hi, Mr. Day. This is a secret message. I'm so crazy. Oh my God.